Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create diamond sword in Minecraft. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So what you need is crafting table, 2 diamonds and 1 stick. Okay, so I will show you how it's working, how it's looking. Okay, so we put 1 stick and 2 diamonds in this position, and we have diamond sword in Minecraft. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. And I will also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners and for advanced player in Minecraft. Bye.